Hello, hello. We're still in Alnö, and we're right at the coast now in the east of Alnö. And here is one of these crazy outcrops. It's a really complicated assemblage of rocks, but it's got the key rock types that we have seen over the last few days. And let's start here. There's some carbonatite here. You see the light and grey type rock, and it's got some crystals in there as well, some larger kind of picked up crystals, and some country rock inclusions as well. It's really swirly if you look at it in detail. So here, for example, you see some flow banding, and here's some pyroxene rich inclusion, and there's some larger crystals as well. And then the brownish material here, this is the old migmatitic country rock that is partly ductile, and it's been messed around. You can really see it wasn't very happy, I would say, and it's been deformed. And in addition, we have this rock type here, which is a kimberlite type rock. It's a mafic alkaline rock, and you see some larger crystals in there here, for example, but it doesn't have the big micas that the alnöite has, but it's related to this. So here you see a bit more of this, but it's intermingled and mixed with carbonatite and also with migmatite remnants. And if we go a little bit further over there, here we see a contact and the chilled margin between this kimberlitic type rock. Here's the fine-grained chilled margin, and here is the carbonatite again, and it has some inclusions of pyroxene-rich material. So here we have the swirly flow banding, and it seems truncated here, so in this case it implies almost that the kimberlite type rock is a little younger. But if you come over here, we have a pyroxenite, and here we have a coarse-grained pyroxene-rich assemblage, and it seems to be intruded by the carbonatite. The carbonatite seems to wrap around with the flow banding, and here it seems to cut across. So it implies that the pyroxenite is older than the carbonatite, while the kimberlite type rock was yet younger. So we're getting a relative sense of things. And if we look up here, we have another intrusion. And indeed, here we see that the kimberlite type rock occurs as a dike with a chilled margin here at the sides, and it's cutting across the carbonatite and the pyroxene rich assemblage as well. So here we're getting a good sense for the age relationship, at least at this particular location. So I wanted to show you this, and it's a complicated assemblage, but it's good fun here, and it's a lovely spot here at the coast. I'm really enjoying that. So thank you again for joining me once more, and I will try to have another video later on here at the coast. Let's see if it works. I hope the weather holds. Thank you for joining me, and all the very best. Hope to see you soon.